Hello YouTube and welcome to another PC video. In today's video we're going to be building a new computer. The computer consists of... shoot, I forget the name of it. It's our Ryzen...
The Ryzen
900X. The parts of the new computer consist of the Ryzen 9 9600. No. 9 something. 3900X 2.0. And the RTX 2080 Ti. And that is all I could afford. These two beautiful, gorgeous pieces cost me way too much money. So, I cannot buy the rest of the computer. Just kidding, we got all this beautiful glory. We have the glorious NZXT H115. Then we have the glorious Corsair power supply, 750 watts. Right. We have our 32 gigs of RAM, our terabyte storage, and 2 terabyte hard drive, not shown here. Our 2080 Ti already discussed. Our 3900X and our MSI motherboard. Does it make me look tiny?
It makes you look really small. It's kind of funny.
Hi, Midget Connor here. Time to unbox everything. Find out what's in the box after the intro. There it is. Oh,
Yeah.
No, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
So this is the CSSD F1000 GMB9600 012855 made in Taiwan edition micro SD card. It's roughly about more than you worth.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Like, okay, so you can download MoWAM for free, or you can install MoWAM and then have the physical copy and be able to be like the cool kids with all the PS3 games. You know what I mean? Well, for example, if you have one PS3 game, right? And you brought it over to your friend's house. Who's the cool kid now? This guy, because what am I not the cool kid? But if you brought 4 over, that's like tripling your chance of being cool, even if you're not as cool as me. 20 minutes later, we got this kid's safety package. Holy cow, that thing is tiny.
That's what she said.
It is though, look how small it is. See, this is how they should be packaged. Oh, this actually looks really nice. Really. Okay, I take this back about how it should be packaged. What?
It's a little sketch.
It is. It's hard in there. Please cut here.
I can't use scissors.
I know, but I didn't want to use scissors on my expensive CPU. I really hope this is where I'm supposed to be cutting. It doesn't actually say please cut here. I told you it comes off this way. Why did they design it like that?
What does it say?
But there's one sound that no one knows.
What does the box say?
What the fuck?
It says something in Japanese. Is there one that has English? Mission Erfliger? Mission Jew. What? Is that English?
A few minutes later.
Put her on our handy dandy wrist strap of bandy. Wait, you guys probably can't see this. We got our new modern day electrostatic protector right here. We'll be fine for 1,000 watts. See, we could hypothetically, we could stick our finger into the outlet and be fine. Right, Logan? With our handy dandy Apple Watch.
Yes.
See? It has shock absorbing padding on the side. See, look, if you compare it to the old fashioned ones, there's metal on the bottom here, and there's metal on the bottom here. See, the difference between this one and this one is this one transfers the electricity wirelessly to the outlet. That's why you plug in those little square things to the wall with the USB plug. Those things are actually the wireless adapter to these. So we don't need this today. It all looks handy dandy. Randy Sprandy.
Glasses.
There it goes. And give it a little nice wiggle. A wiggle for the jiggle. What does this say? M.2 screw.
There you go.
Ba-bam! Do I tighten it down all the way? That's
This
it.
one doesn't move.
That actually looks pretty sick there, not gonna lie.
You didn't remove the sticker from the fan.
I can do that later. I don't want dust to get in there, Logan. They're doing it properly.
Well, we're doing it improperly. Do you have a problem with that?
Yes.
Okay, then goodbye.
That's pretty simple. Come on, Logan, you don't know how to open up a case door? Oh! Hey! Oh, so it swings up. It's not come up. Oh. It comes off all the way. I can't see out that one. Like that?
Yep.
This is glass, do not break. Do you just love this fresh smell of I don't know what I'm doing? It's one of these stupid boxes to get. Stop! I want to figure it out! It's right here, Logan, obviously. I can't believe you didn't know that.